Financial difficulties can come unexpectedly. For example, your car, which takes you to work and back every day, and maybe even brings in additional income, breaks down. And here's the problem. I need my car fixed, but have no money. But don't be discouraged. There are several clever moves to get out of this situation. The first way is personal loans. They can help cover the cost of emergency car repairs, but remember, a good credit score may be required. Another option is a car repair loan. You can expect fast approval even with a bad credit history, but be careful. You could lose your car if you don't pay it back on time. Don't hesitate to ask your relatives for help. If your loved ones have the required amount, this is a good option for an interest-free, flexible loan. Consider car repair insurance. It can save you from unexpected costs, but weigh the premiums against potential benefits. Scratches on the windshield, broken windows, burnt out headlights, such minor problems can be covered with a credit card. It will pay for repairs instantly, but be careful about increasing debt and interest rates. Negotiate with your mechanic for affordable payment plans or discounts on repairs. Consider doing your car repairs yourself. You can buy used parts and replace them yourself. The internet has many instructions on how to do this correctly. You may also decide to sell the car, especially if it's more cost-effective than repairing it. Explore bartering options with the repair shop. Your skills might be valuable currency. Remember, financial hardship doesn't mean you can't afford car repairs. With some ingenuity, you can get behind the wheel of your car again. For more information on possible ways to fix your car, follow the link in the description and read our complete guide.